Hey everybody, it's me, Logan from Mystery Explorers. Tomorrow the Terraria 1.3 update is coming out, and I'm going to make a video. I'm gonna make a Let's Play, but I can't record the screen. Well, I'm gonna try, but I'm only gonna have to go like this. Like my face is the screen, so I'm gonna try and get a screen recorder or something if I have time. But yeah. And another thing, I have to make a 10 subscribers video for my main channel, VidGameMaster21. I'm gonna say a thank you to all my subscribers, and yeah. Be sure to check that out. It's gonna be really cool. Joel's gonna be over, and he's gonna be in the video as a special guest. So yeah, this is Logan. Go explore some mysteries.